In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export captions, SRT, from Clipchamp. By the end, you'll have a standard SRT subtitle file saved to your device, ready to use anywhere you need captions. First, open your project in Clipchamp. Before you can export anything, make sure captions already exist in the project. Captions can be created with auto captions, or by using transcribe media if you've imported a clip and want Clipchamp to generate text from the audio. If you've already added them, you should see a captions track in your timeline, and the text should appear as you play your video. Next, look to the right side of the screen for the Property panel. This is where Clipchamp groups settings and tools for whatever you have selected. You're looking for a tab labeled Captions, Transcript, Captions, or simply Transcript, depending on the version you're using. Open that tab. Inside, you'll see your caption entries and the options that control them. If you don't immediately see the Captions tab, make sure your project timeline is active or a clip with captions is selected, then check that panel again. Inside the Captions or Transcript tab, look for a button that lets you download the captions. It might be labeled Download Captions, Download as .srt, or Download SRT. The wording varies, but it's the same export option. Click that button once. There's no need to change any export settings for this workflow. SRT is a simple, widely compatible subtitle format that includes timecodes and the caption text in a plain text file. After you click, Clipchamp will generate the file and your browser will save it to your device. In most cases, it goes straight to your Downloads folder with a .srt extension. If your browser is set to ask for a location each time, choose where you'd like to save it and confirm. If the file name isn't obvious, look for the .srt extension and today's timestamp. That's your captions file. That's all there is to it. To recap the flow, confirm your captions are present in the project, open the Captions or Transcript tab on the right panel, click the Download option for SRT, and let your browser save the file. SRT is a widely supported format, so you can use the same file across editors and platforms that accept subtitle imports. Keeping an exported SRT also gives you a plain text backup of your captions and timing, which is handy for quick edits or versioning outside of Clipchamp. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you export captions with confidence.